Hey everyone, this is Alex. Here's a quick video of getting started with the product Strakture. First of all, it's a theme and it's a plugin. So we have a theme called Strakture and there's a plugin with the same name, Strakture. So if you install a theme, you'll probably land on this screen here from where you can see the demo, starter sites, some links on documentation right here. But the most important is that you'll see notification that you need to install Strakture plugin, which is the essential part of it. The theme gives you this clean layout and clean look, like right from the beginning, right? So you'll get this kind of like predefined demo here. But once you install the plugin, you'll see it right here in the menu. You'll be redirected on this screen. So here's the plugin screen. Here's some like quick getting started tutorial. And from here, we can go into the setup. So this is a onboarding experience, basically. So from the beginning here, we have site title and site tagline. And the most important field is site type. So this is how we can leverage AI to be able to understand what your site is all about. So go ahead and type any niche that you are working with. So it can be like a barber shop, coffee shop, dentist, medical, anything. So in my case, I have landscaping. From here, we go and click next, and we go into the next step, which is color palette, and we can pick a color palette for our new website. This is a default one, and then if we simply change here to another palette, we'll see the preview right here, how it's gonna look. So as you can see that our buttons has changed, our gradient has changed, and all elements as like a background color right here are changing accordingly. So here we have around I think 14 predefined color schemes. So you'll see them right here. So go ahead and experiment and pick the one that you like. And let's move to the next step. So for example, I like this one. Go to the next step, which is typography. So the typography offers here, we have 8 color presets, the default one. Then if we want a slightly different look, more maybe editorial look with serif fonts, it's this one here. Then we have more bold variations if you prefer that. So here's how it looks. Then another bold variations, and then these are serif again, and the last one is more like geometric sans. So let's pick it. This is really cool for something modern. So let's pick, in this case, I'm gonna pick this one to have this more bolder and funkier. Oh, let's pick this one to have this bold look. And next, when we click next, we are landing on the final step, which is starter sites. But this step you'll see only if you are on premium version. So this is our starter sites predefined demos that if you click on them, you can actually see them in action. And the second one, the coffee shop, is a more like WooCommerce focused. So here, as you can see, we have WooCommerce products. If we click this, we go inside in the product. So this is a full WooCommerce integration, which is also a premium feature. So here we have variable product, different catalog, right? This one. Catalog, checkout, account. So all important WooCommerce pages, right? And then the last one is minimal demo, which is more suitable for blogs. So it has this more minimalistic look. So it's a great if you are starting some simple blog where you want to write and focus on just writing. And let me show you how the article looks. So it's really simple right here. It has this clean minimalist layout, nice typography, and you can import it right from here. So just click activate, it will activate this child theme, and then click import, it will import all the content, so your demo will look exactly like this one. Another thing to mention that each demo comes also with about and contact pages. So let me show you this. This one is a contact. Let's go in coffee shop and let's check it out here. Also, we have blog and archive styles out of the box. And this is how it looks. So you have this nice predefined pages imported for you and fully working functioning contact form. So if you import your demo import, so you'll start instead of working just from blank canvas, you'll get this look immediately, so you can start customizing. And now let me get to the interesting part, which is AI generation patterns, right? Let me switch back to a new page here. I created new page just for this demo. I called it landscaping. Let's try to publish it and let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna visit this page. By default, it's using default page layout, which has this page title. If you don't like it, you can easily change it from here. Just go in and update your template, click change template, and we have template that calls no header or this page no title. Okay, this one that has no title. So let's try to switch it, to change it. So now I switched to page no title template. Let's try to refresh and see how it looks. Yeah, and as you can see, we have completely empty canvas here, so we can start adding any blocks here, any patterns. So by default, our theme already includes a lot of predefined patterns that you can find right here. So like if you go structure pages, you can see we have blog sidebar, and then we have a home page, front page, then we have contact page. We should have our about page somewhere here. And then we have multiple headers and footers, and then in structure general, you'll find most of the section most of the sections right here. But I'm gonna show you how the our AI generation feature works, right? So if I click this modal here, this button, you'll see these patterns right here with categories that we can pick from our left sidebar. So these are also our predefined patterns, right? And what's cool about this is that they will adapt to our niche, which in this case is landscaping. So as you can see that this pattern is all about business. There's some people here, the copy, the text is all about that. And what I can do is that I can select this pattern and then I can generate it if I just click it right here, or I can keep adding another patterns that I want. So for example, I want to include some intro section about us, and I want to finish all of this with, let's put something like features here, right? So I selected these three patterns, right? And then I can just click it to start generating. But additionally, what I can do is that I can click this customize button and I can also add some details if I want. So for example, here, if I have 4 columns, I can mention that 3 columns only. So I added this comment here, and then we have this intro here. So let's try to click generate 3 patterns and see what happens. So when I click generate 3 patterns, I consume 3 credits from my credits right here, which is enough for you. As you can see that you can generate a lot. If you want to generate like a whole page, maybe that would cost you like 5 credits only. So I'm gonna wait for some time, wait for AI to complete all the conversions, and I'll get back to this video. Okay, so now my pattern is done. So as you can see, this is the result. So we have a copy here. Okay, let's go from the beginning. So we have a copy here, transform your space. This was my like hero section, right? So as you can see, we have this nice images of landscaping with some copy already generated for us. The next section was our services, right? This one, like our intro, I think, with this. And then the last one was these boxes where I mentioned that I want 3 only. And as you can see, we have exactly 3 here. And from here, I can actually like rearrange them if I want. So I want maybe this to be first, and then let's move this up. And if we want, we can keep customizing this if we want, but I'm gonna just leave it like this. And let's save it and go back to our page. So as you can see, it took some time for AI to process all of this, but we got full copy, right? So it's transform your outdoor space into a stunning landscape that enhances your property's beauty and value. So you can just start customizing. These are fully editable blocks. You're not going to lose any control on this. You can just keep customizing this. You can remove, if you don't like, you can remove this copyright, these images from here. So and this is how your page looks now. So we have this section, and this features and services. So this is how easy is that just get fast with your WordPress website using Strakture. So um, try to check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments, and you can also check our website, our documentation, and I'm planning to make more videos like this. Hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.